Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, job seekers, and young professionals interested in freelancing tuning in. Freelancing can be a flexible way to build skills, gain experience, and earn income independently. Here's something helpful for you: Freelance Careers for Youth information from Youthbuddy. Freelancing is a way of working where individuals provide services to clients without being permanently employed by a single company. Freelancers work independently, choose their projects, manage their schedules, and earn based on the work they complete. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is flexibility. Many freelance careers can be started with basic equipment and practical skills, while also providing opportunities to work with local businesses, national companies, and international clients. Freelancing also helps develop valuable abilities such as communication, problem solving, time management, and business skills. There are many freelance career options available today. Popular choices include content writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, web development, mobile app development, digital marketing, virtual assistants, online tutoring, and AI-related services. Some of the most in-demand skills include AI tools, video editing, web development, SEO, content writing, graphic design, social media management, data analytics, UI and UX design, and automation services. For beginners, the best approach is usually to focus on one skill at a time. After selecting a skill, learners should spend time studying, practicing, and building real-world experience through projects and exercises. The next step is creating a portfolio and professional online presence. Platforms such as LinkedIn, Behance, GitHub, and personal portfolio websites can help showcase skills and attract opportunities. Finding the first client is often one of the biggest challenges. Many freelancers secure their first projects through local businesses, personal networks, freelance platforms, and online communities. Pricing services is another important skill. Beginners may start with modest rates while building experience and gradually increase pricing as they gain stronger portfolios, positive reviews, and better results. Freelancing also comes with challenges. Income can be inconsistent, competition can be strong, and managing clients, deadlines, and workloads requires discipline and professionalism. Compared to traditional jobs, freelancing offers greater flexibility, location independence, and higher growth potential, but it also requires self-management and continuous skill development. Looking ahead, areas such as AI services, cybersecurity, data analytics, content creation, video production, and automation consulting are expected to create significant freelance opportunities. A practical approach is to spend the first month learning a skill, the second month building a portfolio and online presence, and the third month actively networking, sending proposals, and reaching out to potential clients. Success in freelancing depends less on degrees and more on skills, portfolio quality, communication, consistency, and client trust. By focusing on solving real problems and delivering quality work, freelancing can grow from a side income into a full-time career or even the foundation of a future business. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the career section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.